Good day, everyone. Today, we're gonna tackle potential and kinetic energy. These two forms of energy are fundamental concepts in physics, and understanding them is the key to grasping how energy works in the world around us. Let's dive right in.
Let's start with potential energy. Potential energy is the energy that an object possesses due to its position or state. Think of it as stored energy that has the potential to do work. The most common type of potential energy is gravitational potential energy, which is the energy that an object has because of its height above the ground.
Imagine you holding a ball at the top of a hill. The ball has gravitational potential energy because of its elevated position. If you let go, the stored energy will convert into another form as the ball rolls down.
The formula for gravitational potential energy is PE is equal to mgh, where m is the mass of the object, g is the acceleration due to the gravity, which is approximately 9.8 meters per second squared on Earth, and h is the height above the ground. This equation tells us that the potential energy depends on the object's mass and how high it is above the ground.
Now let's talk about kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is the energy of motion. Any object that is moving has kinetic energy. The faster an object moves, the more kinetic energy it has.
The formula for kinetic energy is E equals 1 half mv squared, where m is the mass of an object and v is its velocity. This equation shows that kinetic energy depends on both mass of the object and the square of its velocity.
When we combine these two concepts, we get a clear picture of energy transformation. As the ball at the top of a hill rolls down, its potential energy decreases, while its kinetic energy increases. At the top, the ball has maximum potential energy and no kinetic energy. As it starts moving, potential energy is converted into kinetic energy. At the bottom of the hill, the ball has maximum kinetic energy and minimal potential energy.
This transformation between potential and kinetic energy is a key principle in the conservation of energy, which states that energy cannot be created or destroyed, only converted from one form to another.
Understanding potential and kinetic energy helps us understand how objects move and interact in the physical world. It's the basis for everything, from the motion of planets to the functioning of engines and even the activities we enjoy, like riding a bicycle.
And that's all for today's lesson on potential and kinetic energy. I hope you find it informative and engaging. Remember, the principles of energy are all around us, so keep exploring and stay curious. Thanks for watching and see you next time.